and good afternoon. Thank you for being with us. We are turning now to day 5 of the case and against the mother of the Oxford High School shooter. We've heard testimony and emotions on the stand.
We have Glenda Lewis, Brian Abel here. Prosecutors today called on multiple law enforcement agents to talk about the statewide search and arrest of the Crumbleys. Yeah, and that man allegedly having an extramarital affair with Jennifer Crumbley, that was an issue today, and speaking directly to paternal negligence. 7 Action News reporter Whitney Burney has more from what happened in court today. Whitney.
For the last few days, we've heard testimony depicting what James and Jennifer Crumbley were like as parents. Today, we're getting a closer look at their reactions following the shooting. The prosecution here clearly trying to show that they were intending to run. Following the shooting at Oxford High School, police say they worked quickly to procure and execute a search warrant for the Crumbley home. A part of that search required police to ask Jennifer and James Crumbley to return to the home and hand over their phones. Police say Jennifer was resistant.
She seemed irritated and frustrated. I remember taking notes down, and she made a statement to me saying that lives were lost today and he's going to have to suffer. And I found that odd.
In the days that followed, an arrest warrant was issued for the Crumbley parents. A former member of the Oakland County Sheriff's Office Fugitive Task Force says when an attempt to arrest the Crumbleys at their attorney's office was unsuccessful, they began checking elsewhere.
I had several other members of the team checking different addresses, checking hotels, all the things that we would normally do.
The team was unable to locate the couple until a Detroit business owner recognized their car at his office and called police. Prosecutors showed a portion of that arrest in court. Some tense moments today as the defense suggested a witness was intimidated by police to change answers about Crumbley or lose his job. However, prosecution pushed back, saying the witness was previously protecting Jennifer because the two were having an affair. Info that until today was inadmissible.
It's fair to say that when you've talked to law enforcement, they have said things that make you feel like you're going to be in trouble because of your friendship with Jennifer Crumbley.
Correct.
Earlier today, the prosecution said they only had a few more witnesses to call and they could rest their case soon. But after the bombshell evidence of the extramarital affair came out, they say it now changes the course of the trial. The judge did express some concerns about relevance and whether that information could prejudice a jury. Reporting here in Pontiac, Whitney Burney, 7 Action News.